First off, I hate doing videos, but I wanted to go ahead and do this. I'm going to do a demonstration of how I take this cruddy knob and turn it into this nice knob for me to restain. These are wood knobs, so don't think that these are metal knobs. I'm sure, I actually have a BFA in ceramics and sculpture, so I'm sure my ceramics friends are going to laugh at this, about how I do this. But it's really quite easy, because as long as you have a drill, you really can get in there and round out that knob and get off. There's actually like layers. It looks like they use Java gel or that stain that you put over stain, so it like really cakes up. So I'm going to actually reuse these for a project. So I'm going to get my drill, and I just get a bit that's a little bit larger than my hole, so that way I know it's a little tight. And then I just kind of screw it on there, like so. So basically, you know, it's kind of centered. It's not perfectly centered. I'm sure ceramics people would see that it's not perfectly centered. So all I'm going to do, and I always make sure that it's, when I'm holding I take a piece of sandpaper. So like I have just a piece of 80 grit, just because I want to get through this pretty fast. And I just take a sandpaper and I make sure that it's spinning away from me first. So I'm going to put it on the other side. And then this is all I basically do. So I just get like a corner, and then I just get in there. And you can already see that it's kind of like coming out. See how it's like different colors? And then for the bottom, again, see how it's turning towards me? I like to turn away, so I'm just going to go the other direction, and I'm going to hold it towards me. Let me see if I can get closer so you can see this. So. So then see, now you have a nice, clean, ready for a new stain or whatever you want to do. Even paint, because you'd want to get all that crud out of there because the paint's just going to show what you've been doing. So now that's all nice and clean, so I just take this off and then it's ready to stain. Again, I have a few years of ceramics, so I'm used to working on a wheel, so this may take you a little while to get the hang of, but it's definitely something worth trying to do to save knobs, which saves money in the end. And I like to restore stuff to original when I can. Hope that helps some people. Just wanted to post a video. Thanks guys, bye.